Okay, today at Thunder Acres, we're going to try something different. A lot of you know I drove the Thunder 4x4 monster truck for 20 years, and I've busted through many of campers. I never did it with a tractor. I've always wanted to try it with a tractor. So we're taking the white 4210, and we're going to try to bust through the camper. Here we go. Now that was a wild ride. Check the carnage out here. Holy cow. A tractor and pop-up literally rip the top of the RV right off. We are down to the frame. Monster trucks do this, but tractors do not. Check that out. Down to the frame with the mighty white 4210. Wowzer. Have you ever seen a tractor and a pop-up bust through and completely level the RV? You guys, I greatly appreciate you. Thanks for viewing in. Sunday Fun Day. Remember that subscribe button if you can. Talk to you later.